Welcome back to the KameGarage fam. In today's episode, we're gonna go ahead and install the carbon fiber trunk on the G35. Now, here's the OEM trunk. We're gonna go ahead and open it. Let's pop. I'm gonna put a little clip of how you actually remove the clips and the cover from the trunk. Go ahead and take this cover off first. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 clips, 12 clips. Move this, and then it has some clips in the back. This bolts right here, T30s that we gotta take them off. They usually strip, so we're gonna hit them with a little PV blaster. We have made a second pit stop. Drove, I believe, about 300 miles. We have like 2 hours and 40 minutes, about 3 hours, almost 3 hours left until we get to Florida. From Orlando, we're actually gonna go and meet up at Lakeland, where our boy is gonna get the car part from. Just 2 more hours, 3 more hours. We'll see you guys there. Hey, we got the carbon fiber hood, boys. And also our boy right here, David. Here's the carbon fiber trunk. Seibon right there. We got the little... Okay, boys, we got the carbon fiber trunk secure. Got some moving blankets. Got some acoustic foam using as cushion, and we should be good. So catch you guys at home. We're back home, boys. We have secured the package, and I'm trying to take this one out, and I have to drill this one out. So we're gonna go ahead and hit this one first, and then we're gonna drill the other one, and the trunk should come off. We got it, boys. We just went ahead and drilled it, and it came off. Perfect. Now the other one is this one right here. It's in the way. Here we go, boys. So we drilled it out. We should be able to remove the trunk, put the new carbon fiber trunk on. So we got 1, 2, 10 millimeter. So we got our 10 millimeter socket, and we're gonna take them out. Now we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the cable from the latch. Put this aside. We're gonna go ahead and take the cable out. Yo, this hood is heavy as fuck. It's probably like 50, 60 pounds. It's heavy. Grab the carbon fiber hood. Look, one head. Look at that difference. Those are the ones you guys want to get. M6 1 times 20. The length must be 20. It has to be flat head, so it actually closes completely, doesn't hit on the hinge and leaves a gap, so it can be completely flush. And you know, these ones are going to be completely better than the torque flatheads. These are garbage. Let's go ahead and put these on, and of course get a washer. Let's go ahead and test out the fitment real quick. Wow, that looks crazy good. That looks almost perfect. Let's go ahead, put the cables back in. There you go, that's secure. Okay, so what we ended up doing is putting a little double side 3M tape right there, because that bolt, once we put this one on, this other one doesn't really align. It covers half of it, and this is a little too thick. Connect through here, but it actually stays in place, so that's the most important thing. And then we're just gonna test it out, but let's go ahead and continue. Yep, this is not going anywhere. Looks good. Now we're gonna do a little test fit. It's good. Even on this side as well. Let's go ahead and close it and test it out. Got a little more down from the looks of it. We're actually gonna go ahead and screw this one on and just put some tape on this side. I think that's what's missing. Well guys, we actually had to stop recording last night. It got kind of dark. We finished installing the carbon fiber trunk. As you guys can see right here, it looks amazing. It looks great. Look at that carbon fiber. Oof, look at that shine, boys. It looks crazy good. Let me go ahead and open it. Yesterday got too dark, so we couldn't finish recording. But as you guys can see, I put the cover back, the clips for sure. Took these out from the OEM trunk. They're just literally squares. You pull them out and push them back in. We popped this back. The latch was actually what took us a little bit. It has like a little damage right here, but besides that, it works perfectly. The trunk will go all the way down like that and will bounce back up. What we found out is that we actually have to move the trunk a little bit down on both sides because the fitment on this trunk is perfect. Like both sides are really even. The fitment is really good. Now when I closed it, now that it closes, as you guys can see right here, it's about pretty even. Before, this was like pushed in way too much, so the latch wouldn't close completely, but now it's completely closed. It opens right back up, you know, super lightweight, so it opens really fast and it closes perfectly. Well fam, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got the trunk installed. It was awesome. It looks great. I love it. Hope if you guys enjoyed the video, you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you guys in the next episode of the KameGarage.